Thanks for watching.
Hi everybody, today we have very heavy snowfall, so we are doing the cleanup. Let's come with us and see how it is. You want to say something?
No.
Okay, say something.
Come on.
Come on. Okay. Whoa, look at this. Yes, careful, careful, it's slippery.
The whole world is white.
Whoa. Sarka. Amar kar okay?
बापरे
Ah.
या
Okay? Can I okay? Put the clips aside.
Dad, here. Here.
Okay का?
स्टार्ट करतो
What आहे रे हे?
Yeah, it's quite a snowfall. It's not done yet. We'll be back out later.
I think it's full day.
Oh, really?
No, full day. Maybe full night.
Oh, no.
Hi friends, it's a heavy snowfall. So my dad's cleaning up over there and we're playing. So it's a very heavy snowfall and we're baking a big mountain.
Mountain बंद किती आहे?
Are the igloo पाठीमागं daddy?
ती तुझ्या ती व्हिडिओ बनवायचा ना आपल्याला.
And we have an igloo at the back.
बनव ओके? Big बनव.
Hello. We have an igloo at the back and we're gonna put snow on it so it looks like a real igloo.
Very hard work this morning.
I know.
Heavy.
Big surprise.
Yeah,
I know.
Heavy, heavy, lot of heavy.
The kids are so happy.
Yeah, they are happy, they're playing.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Yeah, it's quite a snowfall. It's not done yet. We'll be back out later.
I think it's full day.
Oh, really?
No, full day. Maybe full night.
Oh, no. Well, we do live in Canada.
Make a video, okay?
या
Hey, you guys didn't leave any for me. What's going
Stay
on?
warm, Brian.
I appreciate it. I'll do it later. It's snowing a lot. So I'll do
Yeah,
it
yeah, I
later.
think it's for whole night. I think.
I just told DJ I will be out later.
Absolutely. That's what I was kind of waiting for, but it'll be my turn later, so don't worry about it, okay? Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the snow.
या वी आर प्लेइंग
The kids are going to come out in a bit to play in the snow, too.
Nathan is okay?
Oh, yeah, they're doing great.
Good, good.
They're excited for the snow. I'm not so much excited about it.
Me too. Tired, Brian, tired.
All right, talk to you guys later.
We made a big mountain. Just make a hole through it now. Dig out the snow.
यू आर नॉट फीलिंग कोल्ड धनुष
Nope.
No?
No. I have
No?
a pajama through it that warm air. I have a jacket through it, and yeah, I'm not cold. Riyash could be cold because he doesn't have a pajama through it, but I'm not cold. I'm toasty warm. Oh, this is fun. Oh yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, this is fun. I think I got something. Nope. Empty. Yeah, you don't. You're wrecking the mountain. No thing? Ugh. It's Kid Everest. Everest? You? Ugh, I'm not saying Everest to you. I'm saying this is Kid Everest. What? This mountain's name is Kid Everest. You Everest? Oh my god. The snow is not. I think I got something. I think I got found you. Wait, move. Yes, move.
Wow. Hmm.
Okay. Let me show you. Oh, the big one.
Whoa.
Don't do it. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Woo! Big light.
खाली
Look at this snow.
उल्टो है थोडंसं पाठीमागं माय गॉड
Hey, Riyash. Riyash, look at Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. You're eating snow? Let's go now. So my hands. Look at. Can I try?
Smile, Santana. Haru jata. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, can't lift.
I'll bring more snow. Ah. Oh.
You know.
कर दादी काही नाही.
काय जमणार.
That's okay.
Let's go. Rish, don't take snow. No.
Hey. Nothing.
One, two, three, go.
See?
Bye guys, I'm going.
Okay, got it.
Riansh, go.
I got a big one. Nice.
Hi, Nadia. Hi, Diego. Hi, Santana.
I got that news. Oh no. How about big kids versus little kids? Yep. Yeah. But that's 3 versus 1. And 3 versus 2. Yeah, I just want to see. Oh. Okay.
Riansh, you okay? Feeling cold? Okay, go inside.
Penguins? In Adventure Bay? They must have snuck onto the train. They ate all the frozen fish and that.
आवाज बंद कर दे.
Can you help round them up, Ryder? We'll find them, Mr. Port.
Mommy. माझ्या चॅनलसाठी व्हिडिओ बनव. कुठून बी पण माझ्या चॅनलसाठी व्हिडिओ बनव. नक्की युज बॉडी ठेव दे मग. ओके? माझ्या चॅनलसाठी व्हिडिओ बनव. बघ. येऊ नको चल 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 बाहेर चल ना. Daddy, my dog. I'm Daddy. Rudy,
हाँ
huh?
थोड़ा नको जाओ.
Look how big this snow pile is. It's like it's the height of me.
You can sit there inside.
Yeah, but I don't
Go
want
sit
to.
here.
No.
Jump there, jump like a swimming. हाँ.